there, kindergarteners. Miss Beal here for ELA Intervention. Today we're going to read The Big Bonfire. We're going to read this together twice or 2 times. We're going to pay special attention to our words big and is. So when you see big and is in the book, you can clap, you can snap, anything, as long as when you hear big and is, you do something, okay? All right, let's get started. So we have The Big Bonfire by Shannon Penny. When we see by, it means they're the author or the person who wrote the book. Illustrated by Luann Martin. Illustrated means that she drew the pictures. Remember, big and is. The fire is big. The stick is big. The marshmallow is big. That is a pretty big marshmallow. Is it ready? I don't know. Do you think her marshmallow is ready? I don't know. It is. Their little tongues are sticking out, which means they're hungry, right? Tasty. Now my belly is big. Oh goodness, they ate the whole bag of marshmallows. How funny. Great job. We're going to read it together one more time. Make sure you pay special attention to big and is. The fire is big. The stick is big. The marshmallow is big. Is it ready? It is. Now my belly is big. Fantastic job. Now for extra dojo points, listen up. Send to your teacher a drawing of something that also is big. Anything you can think of, something that is big, like the things that were big in the story we just read. Okay, have a great day. Bye now.